Thanksgiving dinner, my grandmother asked me, what the heck is this Bitcoin stuff anyway, right? And I said to her, do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. I said, well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. Bitcoin at 15k is now bigger than PayPal, Coca Cola, Netflix and even Disney. As the market cap of Bitcoin surged from $190 billion to around $280 billion in recent months, surpassing some big name companies including banks by market capitalization. In early September of this year, the market cap of Bitcoin was hovering around $190 billion when the BTC price was just around $10,000. In the past 2 months, however, the price of Bitcoin rose from 10k to a whopping $15,000, and with it, the market cap took off, surging from $190 billion to around $280 billion. This now makes Bitcoin more valuable than most major US companies, making the crypto asset equivalent to the 18th largest commercial company in the US. If Bitcoin's valuation is compared to publicly listed firms in the US, it would match the 18th biggest firm. The 17th largest company in the US is Home Depot, with a market cap of $306 billion. Verizon falls behind it with a $242 billion valuation, leaving a large gap in between. So since the market cap of Bitcoin is currently around $280 billion, it is larger than all of the companies in the US outside of the top 17. Companies that Bitcoin surpassed in recent months include some big names such as Netflix, PayPal, BOFA, Coca Cola, Salesforce, and Disney. Bitcoin is still behind the 3 largest financial institutions in the US by valuation, namely Visa, MasterCard, and JP Morgan. For the top cryptocurrency to surpass all of these 3 giants, it would need to hit $23,000 per BTC and a market cap of $426 billion. However, the price of BTC must reach somewhere around $120,000 in order to catch up to Apple, the most valuable company in the world with a market cap of $2 trillion. Investors are now becoming aware of Bitcoin's asymmetric risk-reward potential. Meanwhile, analytics anticipate the Bitcoin rally throughout 2020 and in early 2021, expecting BTC to enter price discovery and hit new all-time highs. Back in 2017, Bitcoin reached a new record high just 15 months after the 2016 block reward halving. BTC saw its latest halving in May 2020, so the chances of a new peak in mid-2021 remains high based on historical cycles. Over the long term, cryptocurrency investors and analysts say that the perception of Bitcoin as a durable store of value would push its valuation. Tyler Reynolds, a former Google and Morgan Stanley alumni, said that the fixed supply of Bitcoin makes it compelling as a hedge against government spending. He wrote that as it's currently shaping up, the next bull run will be led by BTC, with the very narrative that OGs have been saying since 2011. Bitcoin's hard supply cap makes it a durable store of value as governments devalue their fiat currencies to support unconstrained government spending. Other notable investors, such as the billionaire Wall Street hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones, called Bitcoin an ideal inflation play. Bitcoin is particularly attractive to institutions because it could act as a hedge within a diversified portfolio, but also give investors exposure to its asymmetric risk-reward potential. The relatively low market cap of Bitcoin compared to other companies like Visa and safe haven assets such as gold indicate that there is a significant room for the further growth of the cryptocurrency in the next decade. What do you think about Bitcoin's market cap surpassing PayPal's Coca Cola, Netflix, and Disney? Let us know in the comment section below. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.